Hi guys, welcome to my channel. My name is Karen. So today we're gonna do some crunches for the lower abs, okay? That means below the belly button. So I call it the diamond crunches, okay? So it's the foot position that we're gonna do, okay? So just get onto your mat, suck in your belly button, and let's do it. So I'll just show you the angle that I want you to do, okay? I'm gonna go this way. Look at my legs, my feet. You see how I'm going down like a diamond? That's a diamond, okay? We're also gonna do it down here. We're gonna start down, bring it up, and then put it together, okay? Let's do it. Flatten your back, belly button in, feet together into your diamond, tuck in that belly button, hands behind your head. Are you ready, guys? Let's do it. Here we go. Up. Good, so I feel it right around my belly button area here. Good, suck in that belly button. Keep the breathing going. Lift. Working around the belly button and below the belly button. Woo! Feeling it already, guys. That's one thing you can never overwork is your abs. You can work your abs every single day, guys. Good. You can do it in the morning, first thing. You can do it before bed. Just work those abs. Lift. So my back is nice and flat. I'm not arching my back, okay? Lift. Inhale, exhale. I'm already starting to feel the burn here already, guys. Lift, 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 lift. Let's do 4 more. Then we're gonna pick up the diamond. Woo! Good, and here we go. Diamond up, lift, and lower, lift. So you're changing the intensity a little bit because you're up higher. Higher, the more intense it is, okay? Good, really feeling it. You don't have to do a lot of abdominals to feel it if you're doing them properly, okay? Lift those shoulders, lift. Don't pull on your neck and head. Suck in that belly button. I'm not kidding, it's already burning. Lift, woo! Good, inhale, exhale. Lift. Are you guys feeling it yet? I don't know about you, but I'm really feeling it. And that's what you want. You want those good results here. Woo! Around the belly button and below the belly button. So this is move number 2. We're going to put 1 and 2 together. Are you guys ready for that? So we're going to put our diamond on the ground. And we're going to lift. Looks like this. Up, drop your diamond. Up. Good. Lift that diamond, guys. Keep your back flat. Lift those shoulders. Lift. Exhale as you lift. Keep going, guys. Work those diamond crunches. Lift. Lift. Belly button in. Woo! Is it burning, guys? Feel the burn. Lift. Lift. I love these because they're so effective. I really feel it working. Flat back, guys. Let's do another 8. 8. 7. I feel like doing some pulses. Get ready for those. Woo! I also feel my inner thighs by doing this position here. Good. Let's hold it up right here. Pulse. 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 Woo! It's really burning, guys. Inhale, exhale. For a little challenge, push your feet together, guys. Push the feet together. It's going to burn even more. And you're getting your inner thighs, okay? Pulse, 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 pulse. Woo, those abs are on fire. Lift, lift, lift. Keep pulsing, guys. Pulse, pulse. Push your feet together, guys. Push. Woo! Oh my goodness, like fire. Push. Keep your back flat. Here we go. 10, 9, 8, 7, 4, 3, 2, and 1. Woo! Oh my gosh, that was burning. I don't mean just burning a little bit, it was burning a lot. Whew, so just catch your breath, inhale, exhale. That was so good, you guys. You know what I would do if I were you? I would do it again. Do this video 2 times. Just rock from side to side. Inhale, exhale. Take a little breather and then do it again for the best results ever, okay? Amazing ab workout. So around the belly button and below the belly button, lower abs. Bring it up. Great job, you guys. I hope you enjoyed that diamond crunches. Whew, so catch your breath. Inhale, exhale. Still feeling the burn here. So if you guys still feel like you have some energy, do this video again, okay? Let me know how you do. Thank you so much for doing this workout with me today. If you haven't subscribed to my channel yet, please subscribe, and I will see you guys in the next video. Take care, guys. Bye.